Alright. So what's it? Does it come? So it doesn't come with anything. It's just.
Well, it still has the 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty.
Okay, so 50,000 year or 50,000 miles? Is
Yeah,
that?
the warranty's a 50,000 mile, right?
So only a couple. So only a couple more years.
Yeah.
Okay, this is all impossible.
I just know that I guess it's a nice car. It's just that it's very expensive up.
Nah. No, no, no.
2 years.
No, no, no.
I just take chances on, super expensive parts. We know with this BMW that we had, it was just like, I mean, no, but I mean, you're paying,
Land.
you're paying a lot more right now. I guess, I don't know, not a whole lot more, but. Do you know what I mean with a used car? You really don't know anything about. You know what I mean? Like I sold my Audi, like nobody could prove that there was some stupid oil leak, but there was. So then you end up, dealing with that the rest of the time. So I'm just throwing out stuff that just sucks, but I mean, just know that in 3 years' time, we're going to be paying a lot of money. We're already going to be paying. I don't even know how we're going to finance it. Let's do this first. I just can't even deal with it right now. I mean, is it really big back seats and everything, and a lot of space? I mean, even that new whatever that one that we liked, and I didn't drive as nice, but it had all those different compartments and stuff. And
Alright. That's it. That's it for now. That's it for now.